Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today's video is surely very badly needed for you guys if you want 1000 subscribers. Okay. In today's videos, I will show you how you can get 1000 subscribers by giving some tips and tricks. Okay. But if you think that this is very shortcut way that I will show, but you are wrong. I will not show you any shortcut way like how you can get 1000 subscribers within 1 day, within 2 days, or within 7 days. Okay, I will not show you. But I will give you five tricks and tricks which will help you to go to get 1000 subscribers very easily. If you follow each and every tips and tricks very seriously, I think that will be very beneficial and very needed for your channel and for you also. Okay. I can assure you, at least I can assure you that you will get something better after following my every tips and tricks. Okay. If you are new here, I am describing myself. I am giving my introduction of myself here. This is Lipu from Dream of Jayan, and please subscribe my channel if you don't yet, because each and every subscription of you is a sign of love and sign of inspiration and sign of encouraging for me for my channel. Okay, let's start. Now we are moving to our first tips. First tips is posting 35 videos. Okay. Now I will discuss about tips number 1, posting 35 videos. Okay, let's get started. Yes, our tips number 1 is start before you are ready and post 35 videos. Okay. Now I will discuss in details about this. If you think that you need high resolutions camera and all other supporting equipments to launch your YouTube channels, I think you are wrong. I think you are wrong, and you will be lagging behind from others if you think so. So my suggestion is start making videos with the available equipment in your hand. Okay, I am saying again, my suggestion is start making videos with the available equipments in your hand. Okay, the available equipments in your hand may be your mobile set or a very simple laptop. Okay, and start posting 35 videos at least on regular basis. Okay, after doing all this 35 videos posting, you can notice the changes. Okay, you surely can notice the better changes, how much you have skilled, and how much your channel grows. Okay, so keep going on as per our tips. Okay, uh, instead of following the tips number 1, we are making a wrong also, making a mistake also. And now I am discussing here, I will discuss here about the mistakes what we are doing instead of our following the tip number 1. Okay, our big mistakes that we are making is, okay, mistake number 1, judging your result too early. We are habituated to judge ourselves or to judge our result too early if we initiate anything to do. Okay, uh, so my suggestion, my saying is, but instead of doing so, what I described before, we are making a great mistakes. Okay, our mistakes number 1 is judging your result too early. Yes, I support you are doing great. Okay, I recognize that you are doing great and giving the best effort in making videos. Okay, yes, I support this and I believe this, you are doing great, but you are starting judging your results too early, what you should not be done. Okay, uh, judging your result too early will make you frustrated only, nothing good outcome will come. So my suggestion is, please do not judge your result too early. You just follow the tips number 1, start before you are ready and post 35 videos. Okay, post 35 videos on regular basis, and I think the something better result will come out. and you should not be frustrated at least, okay? And as I subject, as I make the title of this video, getting 1,000 subscribers. Okay, yes, surely you will get this 1,000 subscribers by following my tips and by avoiding the mistakes what we are making. You should not do this. Okay, by following my suggestion, you can reach your target. Okay. Tip number two, answer who and what questions. If you can find out or trace out the best answers of who and what question, you will do best surely in getting 1,000 subscribers, so on. The answer of who question should be the targeted audience of your channel, okay? Your targeted audience of your channel is the answer of who question, and the answer of what question is what is being looked for by your targeted audience, okay? I think it's clear to you now. So select the who, I mean your targeted audience, and also start creating content what your targeted audience is looking for, okay? If you fix up your targeted audience and demand, okay, I'm saying again, if you can fix up your targeted audience and their demands, not only 1,000 subscribers but also more benefit than that would be available for you and for your channel. Okay, you just cannot imagine what types of benefit will be uh, got by you, okay, by your channel. Okay, but yes, I am saying again, in fact, to select the target audience and to create or make the video for your target audiences is the main thing of these tips, okay? And but instead we are doing mistakes also, okay? Instead of following the tips number two, some of us are doing mistakes, and mistakes number two is selfish content versus service content, okay? Selfish content versus service content. Selfish content means doing or making any content as you wish without thinking the demand of your audience, okay? Making any video without thinking about your audience is a selfish content, and but on the other hand, the service content is thinking that this is your service to make some authentic or related or appropriate content for your audience is your service. So making audience related content is the your service content, okay? So we are making selfish content, but we are not making the service content. That is our mistake, okay? But instead we should create the service content, okay? Keeping the mind of the demand of our audience, okay? So that's all what I want to describe here. We should not make any selfish content, okay? That's it. Tips number three is skill up and study successful 5 channels, okay? You always should try to skill your knowledge up, not down. Keep in mind, you always should try to skill your knowledge up and keep going on study. Yes, always keep going on your study. This will help you. This will assist you in making better videos or better content for your channel, and definitely your channel will be more polished or more adorned after uploading all those better videos, okay, or contents. And another suggestion is to sort out 5 successful channels and study all these 5 channels, you will be more experienced, okay, and knowledge which you can execute in your work. I mean, the creation or making content by you will be much better than before. Yes, if your content or videos is much better than before, then uh, then your the subscriber will visit your channel automatically. Okay, so keep in mind that more study will make you experienced, and experience will make you permanent. Okay, so don't give up your study. Keep going on your study. Okay, just keep going on, and you will get the better benefit from your study and following these tips and tricks. Okay, surely. And instead of following these tips and tricks, some of us also do mistakes also. Now I will discuss here about the mistakes number 3. Okay, the mistakes number 3 is shortening your learning demand. Okay, most of us becomes lazy and lessen or shorten their learning demand. This is a great mistake, surely. Okay, this is a great mistake. You should not do this. Okay, you should not shorten your learning demand. Moreover, your learning demand or curiosity should be increased. Okay, instead of lessening or shortening, your learning demand or curiosity should be increased. The more it increased, the better benefit will be you will get. Okay, so keep going on your study instead of shortening your learning demand. Do not mistake. Just follow and maintain all the tips and tricks I mentioned here. Okay, just keep on, and okay, we are moving to our next. Now I will discuss about tip number 4. Okay, tip number 4 is very most important for you guys, and tip number 4 is focused on search-based content and answer specific questions. You know that on the online, if you write something, there are some suggestion. Okay, that means those types of suggestion are questioned by the users on YouTube on the search engine. So that means the people really need those things. That's why they are searching all these things. Okay, and this tips is very most important, and it should be maintained and followed very seriously. Suppose if you make or create content, what people really do not need. Okay, you are making a content, but people do not really need these types of content. They also do not search such types of contents in the online. So I think, and it is very fair that your industry and your effort will be in vain and fruitless in that case. Okay, so in such cases, I think you should focus on what audience is searching or on YouTube. Okay, uh, search on YouTube, and you should make the videos or make the content based on this. If you make any videos which people really do not need in their day-to-day life, but you are giving a lots of effort in making those videos, in that case, your effort will be very fruitless. Okay, there is no result, there is no outcome of your such types of massive industry and massive effort. So in that case, okay, I think you should follow all this. You should follow these issues and making contents. And there is another mistakes, and the mistakes is making contents what really nobody wants to watch or nobody searching for. Okay, many of us are making contents randomly, but the fact is people do not search for those content, or they do not watch such types of content. So why you will make such types of content? So this is a very great mistake done by you. So I am requesting you guys, please do not make any mistakes, or like do not make any contents what really don't need by anybody in their real life. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about tip number 5, and tip number 5 is commitment. Okay, commitment. We are very familiar with these words, commitment. Suppose you, if you love someone, you are committed to that guy. Okay, committed means having some valid responsibilities to your beloved ones. Okay, your relation with your beloved may be ups and downs. Okay, this is very normal. Our relationship with our beloved may be ups and downs, but we are committed, or you are committed to him or her, so you cannot lose the belief to him or her. Okay, that's actually the commitment. In such way, you are committed to your audience and or subscribers also. So simultaneously, you have minimum responsibilities to give them what they really need or want. Okay, they subscribe your channel, that means they really need something better for you. Okay, they want to know something better which is really needed for their life, day-to-day life. They want to know about this from you. Okay, so you are really bound, or you are responsible to let them know about such issues. So I think in fact I mentioned such issues as the commitment. Okay, you are committed to your channel, and you are committed to your audience also. So the quality of your content and the information and the validity of information should be authentic. Yes, and all this should be up to the mark. That means you are committed to their guide, to those guys. Okay, and there has mistakes also, and the mistakes was lack of seriousness. You have created a channel, you are making video, you are saying that I'm making video on such subject, but there is lack of seriousness on you. You don't search, you don't research. Yes, you just make a video randomly, and which is really lack of information or like that. So actually this causes due to your lack of seriousness. Okay, you should be more serious about this. Thank you. This is the ending of discussion for today. I think I was able to discuss about all details and let you know how you can get 1,000 subscribers after following some tips and tricks which I described earlier. Okay, if you think that my content is beneficial, or you are getting benefit from my video or content, please subscribe my channel if you are new here, and like the video also, and please drop your comment in the comment box also. If you have any objection, or I will try to implement all this in my next video. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.